Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to recover Snapchat account without phone number and email. So first of all, open your favorite browser. I am using Chrome browser and search here for sportsnapchat.com and then search it. After this you have to just scroll down and then click on the contact us option, and now you have to just click on I cannot access my account and then scroll down and then click on I forgot my password. Wait for the processing, and now you have to just click on still need help. Then you have to just tap on the yes and put here the username. If you also forget the username, then you have to just write here none and then put here your email address which is associated with your Snapchat account if applicable, and then put here your any active phone number with your country code. After this you have to just make a short description about your problem, that hi Snapchat Sport, I just forget my password and I cannot access to my Gmail as well. I want to restore my account. Please help me to recover my account and reset my password. Then I will be grateful to you for this favor. You have to just scroll down and then click on the submit option. After this you have to just verify some images. After completing this process you will get a response from the Snapchat support team within couple of the days. Then your account will be recovered successfully. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in my description. So that's all for this video. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me know. Thanks for watching.